What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a super quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it does look as though it is having a little bit of a rollover today. Looking as though it may be getting stuck under this level here at the 050. Obviously yesterday it did look as though we were potentially reclaiming this level. But right now we can see, if we look at the hourly time frame, we did come back up here, looking as though we were about to break out and potentially get back inside of our macro trend of our bull market. But you can see here we've actually, looking as though we're basically come up, we've found a lot of resistance in this area, didn't we? And we've actually come back down below the 050 right now, and it looks as though we're actually struggling to get back up above this level. Obviously we definitely still can, but right now it's looking as though Vechain is potentially, hitting quite a strong level of resistance here around that 12 cent level, which is the 050 Fibonacci of the fib that we pulled from that high of 28 cents down to the low of 5 cents. You can see here, currently trading at around 12.1 cents, looking like we want to break to the upside. But reasonably, Vechain looking as though it is still struggling. On our daily time frame here, we did come down and get that massive overextension to the downside and a nice reversal off the bottom, to be honest. But so far, looking as though even though we have broken out of this, potential downward kind of area that we're looking at for Vechain, something like this, and we haven't actually back tested it yet. It does look as though we are still struggling to get back up above these key levels here. We do want to see Vechain getting back inside of this channel at around 13 cents at least, and really, reversing off the bottom and having continuation, because even though it is still making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, it does really look as though it is potentially struggling here to make any kind of real headway to the upside. And obviously, still looking like it's trading technically well here. Coiling motion like this with the breakout and the back test. We came down and we back tested thoroughly here. And now looking as though we do want to get that continuation, but right now consolidating and looking as though we still need to get back up above this key level of the 050 if we're going to have any hope of having a really nice pump anytime soon. Obviously with Bitcoin crabbing sideways for the most part, and Vechain obviously heavily correlated to Bitcoin, it does look as though it is struggling. So overall, not much to say about Vechain over the past day. Looking as though it is trading in kind of a range in and around the 050. A pretty critical time for Vechain, we would say. It does really need to be, moving to the upside pretty soon, and getting back inside this channel and above that 13-ish cent level really to get back on track. Because now we've made that higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We do want to see Vechain coming up and essentially making that higher low again, because we obviously otherwise we'll be breaking our trend, and we do want to see it getting back up above that 078 pretty soon. So overall, Vechain looking okay. It has reversed nicely off the bottom there, but we really do need to see it start making some headway to the upside now, breaking through these key levels of support. Otherwise it will be rolling over and back testing some of these lower levels yet again, if we basically do lose that support that we're looking at. So overall, we'd say short-term price predictions then, if Vechain rolls over, we're looking reasonably coming back down towards that 11 cent level at least, maybe even an overextension towards the 10 cent level if we're basically falling back inside that big pennant formation we've been talking about. And obviously moving to the upside, we want to see ourselves breaking this 12.5 cent level here, and then heading up towards that 14 cent level, and obviously that 14.7 cent 618 level that is so key. We're looking for that very, very soon as well, because we do want to see ourselves coming up, making another high at the 078 and getting towards that all-time high, because Vechain right now looking as though it is potentially looking at, it's not looking too good, is it? It's been underperforming for a while, and it still looks as though, even though it is trading upwards now in a an ascending way, it's not really getting any kind of the price action that we have seen for Vechain in the past here. So clearly it looks like it's waiting for its moment, and hopefully that moment will come soon. And then, as we always say, 50 cents to $1, that's only a 2 to 4x from the all-time high. We do think very possible once the market really does start to go parabolic. We'll probably see Vechain heading up as well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.